Supporters argue that education is still one of the strongest pathways to social mobility. Schools and universities can provide structure, discipline, and access to knowledge that many people would struggle to build alone. A formal education also helps students build foundational skills like communication, problem-solving, teamwork, and long-term thinking. Even when course content is not directly used in a job, the learning process can strengthen confidence and adaptability. On the other hand, critics say the system is too expensive and often outdated. Students may graduate with heavy debt while still lacking practical skills needed in real workplaces, especially in fast-changing industries. Many also argue that the same curriculum does not fit every learner. Creative, technical, and entrepreneurial students can feel pushed into one narrow definition of success, which can reduce motivation and limit potential. So is the education system worth it? Maybe the real answer is not yes or no. The bigger question is whether we can redesign education to be more affordable, more relevant, and more personalized for the world people are actually entering.